Assalamu alaikum. My name is Saira Amjad. I am a final semester student of BS Mathematics with specialization in Computational Mathematics at GIFT University, Gujranwala. I am thrilled to share my journey from GIFT University to securing an international scholarship by European Commission. I have secured a scholarship named as Erasmus Mundus Joint Master Degree, and the mobility scheme involves at least 2 European countries such as Italy and Germany. I have been awarded a scholarship worth 7,000 euros per year. I am thankful to GIFT University and Mathematics faculty that encouraged me to achieve this milestone while studying at GIFT University. Thank you.